Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of human anatomical structures. In this video, we'll explore the building blocks that make up the human body, from the tiniest cells to the most complex organ systems. Whether you're a student, a curious learner, or just interested in how your body works, this introduction will give you a clear and engaging overview. We'll start with the basics, then dive deeper into each system, showing how everything connects to keep us alive and healthy. Let's begin our exploration of the incredible human body. Human body is organized in a hierarchical structure, starting from the smallest unit, the cell, and building up to tissues, organs, and finally organ systems. Each level plays a unique role in maintaining our health and functionality. Cells group together to form tissues, which then combine to create organs like the heart or lungs. These organs work together in systems such as the circulatory or respiratory system to perform essential life function. Understanding these levels helps us appreciate the complexity and harmony within our bodies. The foundation of all anatomical structures is the cell. Cells are the smallest living units in our bodies, each with specialized functions. Some cells carry oxygen, others transmit nerve signals, and some help us fight infections. The diversity of cell types allows our bodies to perform a wide range of activities. By working together, these tiny units create the tissues and organs that keep us functioning every day. Cells group together to form tissues, which are collections of similar cells working toward a common function. There are four main types of tissues in the human body: epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Each type has a specific role, from covering surfaces and protecting organs to transmitting signals and enabling movement. Tissues are the essential building blocks that give our organs their structure and function. When different tissues come together, they form organs. Each organ has a unique structure and function designed to perform specific tasks. For example, the heart pumps blood, the lungs exchange gases, and the stomach digests food. Organs are essential for survival, and their specialized roles ensure that the body operates smoothly and efficiently. Organs don't work alone, they are part of larger organ systems. Each system is a group of organs that collaborate to perform major functions. For instance, the digestive system processes food, while the respiratory system manages breathing. By working together, these systems maintain balance and health throughout the body. Understanding organ systems is key to grasping how our bodies function as a whole. Skeletal system provides the framework for our bodies. It consists of bones, cartilage, and ligaments that support and protect our organs. Bones also produce blood cells and store minerals. Without the skeletal system, we wouldn't be able to stand, move, or protect our vital organs. This system is essential for structure and movement. Muscular system works closely with the skeletal system to enable movement. Muscles contract and relax, allowing us to walk, run, and perform everyday tasks. There are three types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Each type plays a unique role, from voluntary movements to involuntary actions like pumping blood. Muscles are vital for strength, posture, and mobility. Nervous system is the body's communication network. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This system controls everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and reflexes. It processes information from the environment and coordinates responses, ensuring we can react quickly and appropriately to any situation. Cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. This system ensures that every cell receives the resources it needs to function and removes waste products efficiently. Respiratory system allows us to breathe and exchange gases with the environment. It includes the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. Oxygen enters the body through the lungs while carbon dioxide is expelled. This system works closely with the cardiovascular system to deliver oxygen to tissues and remove waste gases. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. It includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and accessory organs like the liver and pancreas. This system ensures that our bodies get the fuel they need to function properly. The urinary system removes waste products from the blood and regulates fluid balance in the body. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. By filtering blood and producing urine, this system helps maintain a stable internal environment, which is essential for good health. The reproductive system is responsible for producing offspring and ensuring the continuation of the species. It includes organs such as the ovaries and testes, as well as structures like the uterus and penis. This system also produces hormones that influence development and health throughout life. Endocrine system is made up of glands that produce hormones which regulate many body functions. These hormones control growth, metabolism, mood, and more. Major glands include the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to maintain balance and respond to changes inside and outside the body. The lymphatic system helps protect the body from infection and disease. It includes lymph nodes, lymph vessels, and organs like the spleen and thymus. This system transports lymph, a fluid containing white blood cells, throughout the body. It plays a key role in immune defense and fluid balance. Integumentary system includes the skin, hair, nails, and glands. It protects the body from external harm, regulates temperature, and provides sensory information. The skin is the largest organ in the body and acts as a barrier against pathogens and injury. This system is essential for overall protection and health. Sensory organs such as the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin allow us to perceive the world around us. They detect stimuli like light, sound, smell, taste, and touch, sending information to the brain for interpretation. These organs are crucial for interacting with our environment and ensuring our safety. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. All organ systems work together to regulate temperature, pH, fluid balance, and more. This balance is vital for survival and health, allowing the body to function optimally in different conditions. Describe the human body accurately. Scientists use specific anatomical terms. These terms help identify locations, directions, and relationships between structures. For example, anterior means front, posterior means back, and lateral means to the side. Learning this terminology is essential for understanding anatomy and communicating effectively in medical settings. Body planes are imaginary lines used to divide the body into sections. The three main planes are sagittal left and right, frontal front and back, and transverse top and bottom. These planes help describe locations and movements within the body, making it easier to study and understand anatomical structures. Human body contains several cavities that house and protect vital organs. Major cavities include the cranial cavity, brain, thoracic cavity, heart and lungs, abdominal cavity, digestive organs, and pelvic cavity, reproductive organs. These spaces provide protection and allow organs to function efficiently. Anatomists divide the body into regions to make it easier to study and describe. Common regions include the head, neck, thorax, abdomen, pelvis, upper limbs, and lower limbs. Each region contains specific organs and structures, helping scientists and doctors pinpoint locations and diagnose issues accurately. The head houses the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. The skull protects the brain and supports facial structures. This region is crucial for sensory perception, communication, and controlling the body's functions through the brain. The head's complex anatomy allows us to think, see, hear, smell, taste, and speak. The neck connects the head to the rest of the body and contains vital structures like the trachea, esophagus, blood vessels, and spinal cord. It supports the head and allows for movement and flexibility. The neck's anatomy is essential for breathing, swallowing, and protecting nerves that control the body. The thorax, or chest, contains the heart, lungs, and major blood vessels. The rib cage protects these organs and supports breathing. The thorax plays a central role in circulation and respiration, ensuring that oxygen reaches the body and carbon dioxide is removed efficiently. The abdomen contains many of the body's digestive organs, including the stomach, intestines, liver, and pancreas. It also houses the kidneys and spleen. The abdominal wall protects these organs and allows for movement and flexibility. This region is vital for digestion, absorption, and waste elimination. The pelvis supports the weight of the upper body and protects organs such as the bladder, reproductive organs, and part of the intestines. It connects the spine to the lower limbs and provides stability for movement. The pelvic region is essential for posture, balance, and childbirth. The upper limbs include the shoulders, arms, elbows, wrists, and hands. These structures allow us to perform a wide range of movements, from lifting and carrying to writing and creating art. The bones, muscles, and joints in the upper limbs provide strength, flexibility, and precision. The lower limbs consist of the hips, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, and feet. They support the body's weight and enable walking, running, and jumping. The strong bones and muscles in the lower limbs provide stability and mobility, making movement possible and efficient. Joints are where two or more bones meet, allowing movement and flexibility. There are different types of joints, such as hinge joints in the elbows and knees and ball and socket joints in the shoulders and hips. Joints, along with muscles and ligaments, make it possible for us to move smoothly and efficiently. Blood vessels are the highways of the circulatory system. They include arteries, veins, and capillaries, which transport blood throughout the body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, veins return blood to the heart, and capillaries exchange nutrients and waste with tissues. Healthy blood vessels are vital for circulation and overall health. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers and works tirelessly to supply oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The heart's rhythmic contractions keep blood moving, supporting life and health. Its structure and function are central to the cardiovascular system. The lungs are essential for breathing and gas exchange. They take in oxygen from the air and remove carbon dioxide from the blood. The lungs work closely with the heart to ensure that oxygen reaches every part of the body. Their spongy structure maximizes surface area for efficient gas exchange. The brain is the control center of the body. It processes information, controls movements, and regulates emotions and thoughts. The brain communicates with the rest of the body through the spinal cord and nerves, ensuring that we can think, feel, and respond to our environment. The liver is a large organ that performs many vital functions, including detoxifying chemicals, producing bile, and storing nutrients. It helps regulate metabolism and supports digestion. The liver's ability to regenerate makes it unique among organs, playing a key role in maintaining health. The kidneys filter waste from the blood and regulate fluid and electrolyte balance. They produce urine, which removes toxins from the body. The kidneys also help control blood pressure and produce hormones that influence red blood cell production. The stomach is a muscular organ that breaks down food using acids and enzymes. It churns food into a semi-liquid form, preparing it for further digestion in the intestines. The stomach's lining protects it from harsh digestive juices, ensuring efficient and safe digestion. Intestines are long, coiled tubes that absorb nutrients and water from digested food. The small intestine handles most nutrient absorption, while the large intestine absorbs water and forms waste. Together, they ensure that the body gets the nutrients it needs and eliminates what it doesn't. The pancreas is both a digestive and endocrine organ. It produces enzymes that help digest food and hormones like insulin that regulate blood sugar. The pancreas plays a crucial role in maintaining energy balance and supporting overall health. The spleen filters blood, removes old red blood cells, and helps fight infection. It is part of the lymphatic system and supports immune function. The spleen also stores blood and releases it when needed, playing a role in both immunity and circulation. The skin is the body's largest organ, protecting us from injury, infection, and dehydration. It regulates temperature, produces vitamin D, and provides sensory information. The skin's layers work together to keep us healthy and safe from the environment. The eyes are complex organs that detect light and allow us to see. They convert light into electrical signals, which the brain interprets as images. The eye's structure, including the cornea, lens, and retina, enables us to perceive the world in vivid detail. The ears allow us to hear and maintain balance. They capture sound waves and convert them into signals for the brain. The inner ear also contains structures that help us stay upright and oriented. Hearing and balance are essential for communication and daily activities. We've explored the major anatomical structures that make up the human body, from the smallest cells to complex organ systems. Each part plays a vital role in keeping us alive and healthy. By understanding how these structures work together, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the human body. Continue your journey in anatomy, and remember that every system, organ, and cell is essential to life.